Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, today we're going to prank food. Today's prank is going to be a little bit different. The setting is different, plus me involve my friend. So let me tell you now, because I give my friend a rundown of what I want her to do for me. So I'm just, give her a rundown real quick. So I make the intro from now, because later I go over my friend's house so we can just jump in at the prank. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to act like I'm there at the pharmacy. That's going to be my friend's house. And I'm going to act like I talk to a pharmacist. That's going to be my friend. So basically I'm going to call Jason on the phone like, babe, you're allergic to any pill? You know if you're allergic to any pill? I don't know if just allergic to any pill, but whatever him say from this, so I'm gonna just keep the conversation flowing. But how I'm gonna get underneath his skin is like I talk to the pharmacist and I tell them that I want the enlargement pill because whatever, you know, I'm gonna just cap. I'm gonna just do some stuff to get under Jason's skin, because remember I'm gonna depend on the line while I talk to the pharmacist, which I'm a friend. So basically I give her some questions where she can ask me to make it more believable. So hopefully it work. What I'm gonna do now for put the ice up on the cake to make Jason vex, I'm gonna make it seem as if the person know Jason. So I'm gonna say, you know him? Jason White, no man, Razor Blade TV. You want me to show you one picture with him? And me don't know yet, me probably make she agree so she know Jason and say like, him did want them in pillar. Oh guys, I don't know. What I'm gonna do right now is just finish up what I'm doing at the house, get ready, and then go to my friend's house. So I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna go in. I'm not gonna put her up on camera. Oh, it's not the first speaker. Excuse me 1 minute, excuse me. Hey, babe? No, I'm on the phone, wait. Babe, you're allergic to any pill?
A pill?
Yeah.
No, not that we know of.
Oh, because my dad at the pharmacy, I try to get one pill for you.
What kind of pill? Tell us, what is it?
No, babe, I did. You know, your private area, the enlargement pill.
Private area?
Babe, me don't want me in the line. I don't want to spit it out. Miss, you have enlargement pill?
For what age group? How old is he?
Wait there, babe. Hold on. Miss, you have the enlargement pill?
Yes, we do have the enlargement pill.
How you sell it? Babe, give me a minute now.
How old is the person?
He's 27. 28. Babe,
we have an enlargement pill for.
Babe, give me a second, me in the line. So he's 28, 29 next month. Okay,
is he allergic to any pill that you know?
No, he said no. Basically the problem that I'm having, he's not staying long, and it really, in regards to, you know, getting hard,
I understand.
it's a problem.
Okay, alright, yes, we do have a pill.
Jason, miss, give me a second.
Okay.
Babe, yes, I'm in the pharmacy, yes.
What the fuck say you buy a pill and you talk about say probably get this thing? Who you talk about? You mean you have different man?
Babe, you may buy a pill for?
You mean you buy a pill for babe? Cook me never test me a problem with me with that up.
Babe, I could have done better with it being stiffer.
What a girl? So hold on. Oh, all of a sudden.
Just hold on, let me cash this. Miss, I can get 4 of them.
Yeah, sure, you could get 4.
Alright, what's the price?
3,500.
Alright. My man, keep the money out of the foolish, bro.
Oh, miss, so you look at me so like you know me.
You seems to look very familiar.
Babe. This is not funny. Babe, this is not funny. No, babe. This is the past funny. No, babe. So what can I say?
Just give me a second. I am talking. My name is Angel Babram on YouTube.
No, I really don't.
Well, probably, if you don't know me, you probably know my partner. His name is Jason White.
Oh yes, I do know him.
Razor Blade TV?
Yes, I know. Oh my god. But I didn't know that young man. He's such a young man. I didn't know that guy need these type of pills.
Looks can be very deceiving.
Oh, yes.
Thanks for supporting me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, sure. You're welcome. Here you go.
Thank you so much. So, okay. So 4 of them, how to take them?
So you can actually just take 2 tablets per day
Before? Okay.
Yeah.
And anything that milk products?
No, that wouldn't be a problem.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I don't think I'm gonna need more than 4. And thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. Babe, what you say? Excuse me. Security, me can get some more hand sanitizer? Thanks. Babe.
Who you buy?
Babe, you. Yes. You see me always.
You buy bill because I can't me. When since my food not turn up, that me you want to know.
Babe, me always try to do something good and this is how it turns
I
out.
try to do what good. Me didn't tell you say more bill for me food. Yes, me food naturally gifted. What kind of style that? When you did look up here, oh Jesus, oh food. You never tell me one time say that you half a day you tell me say you have a problem. So all of a sudden you have a problem now.
Babe, man, the pill help to last longer.
Bro, what can I help me for last? You want me last longer than me last?
Babe,
You want me to last longer than me last already?
not every time.
No, you don't want me to come none at all, that you want.
Babe, nobody not have to know. Plus, the lady, she's so
What the
professional.
fuck say you to nobody?
Babe, the lady is...
Me not hear a girl. Me not hear nothing.
Babe, the lady was so professional. That's her job. She not gonna tell anybody.
Bro,
That's confidential.
You don't go to somebody and tell him about you want food bill for me.
Because of the pharmacist, who me did I go tell?
You know, you to me say
Baby, confidential. Them know the rules. Them know the rules to them job.
You know, sometimes you can't do a little girl which just run her mouth and all. You listen to me? Little girl, what me need bill for? That more I know.
Babe, sometimes it's not really that hard.
Fuck, you don't want me to kill him. How much you don't want me to kill him?
Just wait for my money.
Really
$3,500
that hard?
down the drain, right?
Oh, most don't get drink kind of me here buy pill for me. Did tell somebody need assistance?
Whoa. You know what? It's okay. Yeah, act like somebody have to know with business. I just between me, you and babe.
It's not my business because that is not factual. It is not factual. When
Babe, you see, a people like Uno in our world, babe, you coulda do better. You don't know what you woulda do if you get it.
Bro, so that you tell me say below with you for 5 years now, and all of a sudden we coulda do better. So me never hear them complain in my life.
Babe, I just want if it be firm.
I don't know backside this system. Don't call me no be my man. Can you ever tell me about your buy things to make for my food? Could have. I don't know what the hell you are saying. And then you want that for me.
I mean,
You know, say, I don't know what got into your brain. Do I need to have your exam?
baby, I've got just, baby.
You can stop calling me, because you don't disrespect me in my room.
Baby, it's not disrespect. It's your wife going out to get something to help you. Baby, you and I like to me I spread it to the whole world.
Bro, it no matter who you spread it to me, ever tell some old week. It no matter who you tell me, access to me, ever tell us some old week. You ever tell her that?
You know what? It's okay. No,
no, it's okay.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay.
Right, come on from the phone. Come on from the phone.
No, it's all good. Hey, hear me now, sir, me can't get somewhere. You know You know when they come out of the store, cause me always do that. And him knows that me always do that. That's why me do it. Guys, me not tell him. When you think me tell him? Me not tell him. Me I go catch him reaction when me grow on him. I could have night. Me I catch him reaction. Do good? That was a good one.
That was a good one. Hey,
Yo, him vexing, huh?
Yeah. For the more the
Just that calm. Yeah, what you say?
Little girl, listen. You will take up $3,500 to buy this new with my no week and all you know if you know say if a man even say tired with 2 minutes all you need to do is buy some snap play the bag here and you tell me you buy pill you make it look like some thing now function. What the hell do you?
Babe, me never say now function. Babe, me love it.
Stop calling me your babe.
Babe, I love it.
No.
But there is a but. Babe, me always buy peanut and something. Me buy a Irish mass, me buy a peanut, me give dragon stove. Me give everything, babe. So me just there so me could have just get a pill.
Bro, don't buy the pills for me. Don't buy the raw pills for me. I'll just tell you something feel sick here. Don't buy the don't disrespect me so you're gonna tell me for. And if I did you're gonna ask you. Yo, get that's a be wrong for you, man. Cause you can't.
Yes, I'm not playing, and if you don't want them, I can give them away. Bexy, no? Me not call him back. Me go wait until me grow on him to catch him reaction.
Furthermore, when they ask, you don't know, you're something.
Yeah, and that trigger me know when me say you don't know a razor blade.
Yeah, that trigger him out.
Guys, me not enough for prank. But if you don't see me come back with no reaction, just know say me not seeing serious or evening. But what me I go do? I go, mommy they are fasting. Oh my god, work this out. I just think about something, guys. You know what? I go end the video. I change my mind. I go end the video. I go call him back. Hope him answer, cause him we not answer, you know? Babe.
Hello, who is this?
Jesus, stop, babe.
Who is this speaking?
Babe, stop no.
My girl, stop calling me a babe like this.
Jason, I'm sorry.
Well, you have to say sorry, but you're not going to do your already.
Babe, it's a prank.
Oh, yeah, prank. I don't mean yeah.
Babe, are you me a prank? Babe, it's a prank. Look, Odin.
Jesse, you got proud.
Okay. Media.
So you up and your friend and your friend to me good now.
Babe.
Okay.
You know some me never did I go tell us a prank till me see you later, but me I say me no want spoil the entire day and then you end up not have a productive day. You see how me I think boy ya? How thoughtful.
No, I don't think about it, stop that.
Babe, it's a prank and I'm sorry. Babe, but you know you think, babe, come on, man.
My girl, a woman you name you know we say a bag of things in the heart, right?
Babe, I know how to get under your skin, so don't play with me, yeah? Yeah.
You know what? Alright, cool. You see how you love Ram? Alright.
Osh. I say go, babe. Osh. Bye. I love you. What you do?
I'm at it.
What you do? Babe, stop now.
Free, man, I want it. You know,
I love you.
Alright.
Bye. Babe, later, I love you.
Alright.
Babe, I love you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Roll to 100k. Bye, guys.